How to share system audio on Google Meet. What is up everyone? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to share your system audio on Google Meet. So the first thing you want to do here is go to your web browser or Google Chrome most preferably, go to Google Apps over here, and then from here go to Meet. Once you open up Google Meet, you should be able to start a new meeting. Click on New Meeting and I'll start an instant meeting over here. Click on it. Now, once you join your meeting over here, all you basically have to do is simply go ahead and turn on the option to screen share. Click on this little icon called screen share. And now the presentation is starting. So you can only share your system audio if you are sharing a tab. So let's say if I open up youtube.com over here, on a new tab, I'm able to share a Chrome tab. But if you want to share a window or your entire screen, then as you can see, to share audio, you need to share a tab instead. So you're not able to share a specific application and their audio as well. You can only share audio with if you are sharing your tab. So you can just go ahead and click on this toggle over here to turn on the audio. Now select which tab you want to share, tap on share, and now your screen share has begun. So as you can see here, I'm able to see the screen share. So if I go over to YouTube, scroll down, now the screen is being shared. That's basically it, guys. That's how you can share audio on Google Meet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.